The group by clause would be mostly used when we wanted to perform aggregate operations. Aggregate operations are min, max,
Max,
count,
sum, count,
sum, average,
average.
average. So these are the 5 aggregate operations that will be performing. So how to use this? We will see first these things, and then we will be applying group by clause to get the output. So first we will see the min operation. So you wanted like what is the minimum salary of the employee you wanted to get from this table. So you will use min function of salary from employee. The minimum salary is 5,000. So you wanted this column as with some name you wanted to display. Then you will be using as here. It is nothing but a alias function. Alias function means what happened here?
Minimum salary space.
Minimum salary space. Space it shouldn't come. Right. What happened? Yes, the space is error here. So whatever the word you want to get here, before what is coming, like whatever you have written the function, the same function would be coming here like min of salary. So you wanted to display this as a with some particular name, whatever you want, then you need to give as. When you give as that name, whatever you have given, that will appear for that operation. So min of salary from employee gives the minimum salary. If you want to display the employee as well, for this it will come employee name. So next we will see while doing group by. I'm not mixing here. So we wanted to see next the max function. And you wanted to display as max salary. So this is the max salary for that table. We would get this in this fashion. Next, what is the other one function? Next is count. How many salaries are there? You wanted to count. Then you will give count of for that particular column. So total seven salaries are there. Or you wanted only the total number of records, whatever is available in the table. So this you will be using generally for validation, because when you are moving the data from source to target, the first thing you will be doing some DDL checks, and this count operation you will check. Here, if you are having 100 records in the target, also you should have 100 records, right? If you are doing migration. So this count function would be useful in counting the number of records. So how many records are there? So totally 7 records are there. When you give count of star, you get the same result, and count of 1 also you can use. Count of 1 also if you use, it is also a valid syntax, and you will get the records. And one more, this is also a tricky question that they will ask. Without using count function, how you will get the record count? This is a question posed to me like in one of the interview. So in this way you can fetch the count, sum of 1, count star, count of 1, or sum of 1. You can fetch the total number of records in the table. You're clear on this? So the next is sum. You are performing a sum operation on the salary column for getting the total salary. Select sum of salary from employee as total. So it will sum up all the salaries of the employees available in the employee table if you use sum function. The next is average. So it will sum up all the records and just divided by the total number of records, and will fetch the average salary of the employee in that particular organization. So you are clear on the aggregate functions?
Yes, clear.
Okay. Next, we will move on to group by. You wanted to group based on the department. You and you can perform aggregate operations. So you wanted to know in a HR department how many employees are there. Then in that case, select department. You wanted to know how many employees are there in each department. That was your task. So count star from employee group by department. Then what you are getting? So in HR department, so first you are writing like what are the columns you wanted to display, you will write it, and you give the table whatever the table you are performing the operation. Then you will do a group by. So you are grouping all the employees with the particular column what you wanted to do, and then on that you are performing a aggregate operation. So other one, what we can do? City also. One second, I was getting a call. I can connect. Hello, just drop here and connect again in the other session. This is going to end.